Let's look at how we perform this experiment. Okay, so first of all, we on our thermostat. This is our water bath. This is the thermometer that will help us to check whether the temperature that we put this is really true. So this thermostat, if we put the temperature on 40, right, it will remain at 40 till we vary the temperature. Okay, mind you, we are talking about Boyle's law. Okay, Boyle's law, we keep the temperature constant. Okay, and then we check the pressure and then the volume. Okay, so we'll be keeping the temperature constant at 40 degrees. Okay, and then we check the volume and then the pressure. Now to check the volume and pressure, we need an equation. Okay, we need this equation, okay, to be able to help us to find the volume and pressure. Now, as I said, this thermometer is there to help us to know whether this 40 degrees that we put the thermostat on is really true. Okay, so this is there to help us to check whether the thermostat is really at 40 degrees. The temperature is really at 40. Now, when you start, the experiment, right? Normally, we are supposed to fill the measuring tube with mercury. So you can see the mercury here. We've already filled it. So when we fill it, we make sure that this and this are on the same level. That's how we fill it, right? After filling it, it doesn't necessarily mean that we should start from the same level. Okay, it depends on the number of values we want. Okay, so before we start, we make sure we take off this topper, so that atmospheric pressure, PA, can act on it. Atmospheric pressure, okay. Then we'll use the barometer to measure the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so for this experiment, we are supposed to take 15 values of L and H. We are supposed to take 15 values of L and H. Now, to take these 15 values, first of all, what we do is we count this measurement. One of this measurement is supposed to be 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter. One is 1 centimeter. Okay. So we are taking this in steps of 5 for 15 values. So to do that, we can just count 5, 5, 5, 15 times on this. Then we start from there. Very simple. Okay. So when we do that, this is 1. So this is 5 centimeters. So this is 1. We'll be increasing it by 5, 5. So we want 15. So we are counting 5 of this, 15 of this. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we put this mercury level. When we do that, then we put the mercury level on 15. Okay, we put the mercury level on 15, like this. Now, when we do that, now we can start varying now. Now, they are saying that when we do this, we move the first 5. So on the table, right, we have L and then H. They are saying that the height difference between this mercury reservoir and then the measuring tube is supposed to be H. So we just check the difference between here and here, right? And then they are saying that our L is supposed to be the difference in this tube, right? The difference in the tube from here to here. The brown part is not part, okay? The brown part has been factored into the formula. Okay, so when we come back to the formula, realize that this very value, right, that's the brown part, has already been factored into it. So there's no need to include the brown part. So we only take the measurement from here to here. That's our L. Okay, so to start with our first value, we push the first 5 to here. You see, so we moved this mercury level from here to here. That's our first 5. Then we can measure our L. Okay, our L should be from here to here. So that will give us This is 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 centimeters for our change in L. Then we come to our H. Change in H is supposed to be the difference in this mercury level from here to here should be our change in H. So we also measure from here. We count from here, right? We count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 centimeters. That's our H. So that's the first value for L and H. Then we further move on 5. We move to the next 5, right? We move to the next 5. Then we measure our L and then our H. We move the next 5, measure our L and then H till we finish. So that's how this experiment is performed. Okay, that's how this experiment is performed. Thank you very much.